Over 60 million copies sold Australia-wide.
This year, Max Fung brings to you the Baby Food Cookbook, the international bestseller by an international best-selling author. Now, let's see what our readers thought.
Are you asking me if I love this book? I mean, is Superman amazing? Yes. I mean, this book has completely changed my life. I mean, I cook better, I clean better, and I even play tennis better now, and I'm pretty sure it's because of this book.
Oh my god, this book is like so freaking amazing. Like, it changed my view on everything about baby food. It's so like revolutionary. Buy it.
Would I change anything? How do you change perfection? Tell me. I even memorized the baby's face.
That's right, the Baby Food Cookbook has 4 amazing recipes, plus 2 bonus recipes. 4 plus 2 equals 6 amazing recipes. What, did you think I was gone? It also has an awesome 10-day menu planner. But that's not all. Now it comes in color. That's crazy! But that's not all. The first 50 callers gets a free paperclip.